Our planet is divided into vast ecological regions called biomes. A biome is defined by its climate and the collective character of its plant and animal life. From icy tundras to lush rainforests, each biome is shaped by temperature, precipitation, latitude, and altitude. Climate is the master architect, dictating what can grow and live in each region. Latitude and altitude influence temperature and seasons, shifting biomes as you move across the globe or climb a mountain. Precipitation determines whether a region becomes a forest, grassland, or desert. These elements interact, creating the unique conditions of each biome. Understanding biomes is key to understanding life on Earth. Each biome regulates climate, cycles nutrients, and provides homes for countless species. They are interconnected systems. Changes in one can affect others far away. As we explore these realms, we see a single, complex, and interdependent global ecosystem. At the top of the world lies the Arctic tundra, a landscape of extreme cold and short summers. Its defining feature is permafrost, permanently frozen soil that prevents deep-rooted plants from growing. Precipitation is low, mostly as snow, making the tundra drier than many deserts. Life here is tough low-lying plants hug the ground, and animals like musk oxen and Arctic foxes have thick coats and special adaptations. In summer, wildflowers bloom briefly, and migratory birds arrive to breed. But the tundra is vulnerable. Thawing permafrost releases greenhouse gases, and human activity threatens this fragile biome. The fate of the tundra is closely tied to the health of our planet. South of the tundra stretches the taiga or boreal forest, the world's largest land biome. Dominated by coniferous trees like pines and spruces, the taiga endures long, snowy winters and short, warm summers. Acidic soils and slow decomposition create a thin topsoil, supporting hardy evergreens. Conifers have needle-like leaves and conical shapes to survive cold and shed snow. The forest floor is sparse with mosses and shrubs thriving in the shade. Animals like moose, wolves, and snowshoe hares are adapted to deep snow and seasonal changes. Many birds migrate south, while others, like the crossbill, rely on pine seeds year-round. The taiga faces threats from logging, forest fires, and climate change, which increase pests and alter the landscape. Sustainable management is crucial to preserve this vast, vital biome. The taiga's health impacts global climate and biodiversity. Between forests and deserts lie the open grasslands, too dry for forests, too wet for deserts. Grasslands include temperate prairies and tropical savannas, shaped by seasonal rainfall, fires, and grazing. Deep-rooted grasses dominate, storing carbon and surviving drought and fire. In Africa's savannas, scattered trees like acacias withstand dry seasons and fires. Grasslands support herds of bison, wildebeest, and zebras, along with predators like lions and wolves. Many animals are built for speed or live in burrows for protection. Grasslands are endangered, converted to farmland, overgrazed, and threatened by poaching and habitat loss. Protecting these ecosystems is vital for biodiversity and climate regulation. Temperate deciduous forests thrive in regions with 4 distinct seasons and ample rainfall. Broadleaf trees like oak and maple shed their leaves in autumn, creating rich, fertile soils. The forest has layers: tall canopy, understory, and a diverse ground layer of spring flowers. Animals adapt to seasonal changes. Squirrels store food, bears hibernate, and birds migrate. These forests support deer, foxes, and countless insects and birds. Much of this biome has been cleared for agriculture and cities, fragmenting habitats. Today, threats include acid rain, invasive species, and climate change disrupting seasonal cycles. Restoring and connecting forest patches is key to preserving their diversity. Temperate forests are resilient but need protection to thrive. The Chaparral biome hugs coastal regions with mild, wet winters and hot, dry summers. Found in places like California and the Mediterranean, it features rugged hills and thin, rocky soils. Fire shapes the chaparral. Many plants, like manzanita and scrub oak, are adapted to burn and regrow. Sclerophyllous shrubs have waxy leaves to conserve water, and some seeds only sprout after fire. Animals are camouflaged and active at dawn or dusk to avoid heat. Reptiles thrive in the warmth. Urban sprawl fragments habitats and increases wildfire risks. Suppressing natural fires leads to dangerous fuel buildup, making wildfires more severe. Climate change is lengthening dry seasons and intensifying fires. Balancing human needs with ecosystem health is crucial for the chaparral's survival. Near the equator, tropical rainforests like the Amazon and Congo are warm and wet year-round. These forests are the most biodiverse on Earth, home to over half of all known species. Rainforests have layered canopies with giant emergent trees, dense mid-level foliage, and a dark humid forest floor. Plants and animals are highly specialized. Monkeys, toucans, and jaguars thrive in different layers. Camouflage and unique adaptations are common, driven by intense competition for resources. Rainforests regulate weather and store vast amounts of carbon, playing a critical role in the global climate. Deforestation for timber, cattle, and crops like soy and palm oil is destroying these ecosystems. Habitat loss pushes countless species toward extinction and releases stored carbon, accelerating climate change. Protecting rainforests is essential for biodiversity and the planet's health. The loss of these vibrant ecosystems would be an irreversible tragedy.